So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix slow charging problem in your Samsung Galaxy A17. So guys, Samsung Galaxy A17 is very slow and learn how to fix slow charging issue. So guys, first thing is you check your charger and the cable. So guys, make sure that you are using the same charger that came in the box. Okay, it is the fast charger and it is the original charger and it supported in your phone. Okay, so try to use the same charger. Another thing is guys, clean your charging port. Make sure that your charging port is clean and your cable is not broken. Okay, another thing is guys, enable the fast charging. For enabling the fast charging, first open your phone, then guys go to the option of settings. Here you just click on the settings. In the settings section guys, here you go back and here you see the option of battery. After that guys, going to the option of charging settings and make sure that your fast charging is turned on. Okay, second thing is guys, close the background application during the charging. Not please close all the application that are using in the background and simply close your phone. Another thing is guys, try to restart your device. For restarting device, simply swipe down and click here and tap on the option of restart. So these are the basic things that you can done to resolve this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.